Cover your left eye with the hand. Can you see clearly? Any dark spots, any blur? Now cover your right eye and check again. If you noticed any sudden change, this video could save your vision. It can take just 1 minute to lose your vision, and most people don't realize how quickly it happens until it is too late. Vision loss is not always slow and gradual. Sometimes it is sudden, silent, and completely unexpected. And the one most dangerous cause is an eye stroke. I am Dr. Surbhi Kapadia, an ophthalmologist, and in the next 6 minutes, I'll show you 7 warning signs you must never ignore. But first, let me explain what an eye stroke really is. An eye stroke occurs when the blood supply to the retina is suddenly blocked. जब रेटिना की खून की सप्लाई अचानक से रुक जाती है. The retina is extremely sensitive और हर सेकंड ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत होती है उसको. Even a short interruption can cause permanent damage. जिस तरह से एक ब्रेन स्ट्रोक में the blood to the brain is blocked, similarly in an eye stroke the blood to the retina is blocked. Brain stroke causes paralysis, whereas eye stroke causes vision loss. Both are medical emergencies. This is why an eye stroke is considered a true medical emergency and similar to a brain stroke. The first type is a central retinal artery occlusion, and the second type is a central retinal vein occlusion. Now that you know why timing matters so much, let me show you 7 warning signs your eyes may show when something is wrong. The first and the most classic warning sign is sudden painless vision loss in one eye. Many patients describe it as if a curtain has been pulled over the sight. Because there is no pain, people tend to wait and hope that it will improve on its own. But this delay can lead to irreversible damage. If you experience this, you have 90 minutes to save your vision. Go to the emergency room immediately. The second warning sign is the appearance of a partial blind spot. Instead of losing the vision completely, you may notice that one portion of your visual field has suddenly gone dark or blank. Whether it is the upper half, the lower half, or one side, any sudden blind area should always be treated very seriously. The third symptom to watch for is sudden blurring or distortion. If your vision becomes cloudy and it does not improve even after blinking, resting, or gently rubbing your eyes, this could be an early indicator of reduced blood flow to the retina. People sometimes mistake this for screen fatigue. Another warning sign is the sudden appearance of floaters or flashes. These may look like dark spots drifting across your vision or brief streaks of light. While floaters may happen for other reasons, they become concerning when they appear suddenly and are accompanied by decreased clarity. You should also pay attention if your vision starts looking dim or faded. Some individuals feel that the brightness in one eye has reduced, or that colors appear dull and washed out. This happens when the retina is not receiving sufficient oxygen, and it should never be ignored. The sixth warning sign is waking up with reduced vision. Many people sleep normally and wake up unable to see clearly from one eye. This pattern is common in certain types of eye stroke and should need prompt immediate evaluation. Before we go to the last warning sign, if you find the information valuable and would like more guidance to protect your vision, do subscribe to this channel. And finally, although most eye strokes are painless, some people notice a mild headache, heaviness, or pressure around the eyes at the same time that their vision changes. But the combination of symptoms is very important. This combination is especially concerning in people over 50, and it requires urgent medical attention. If you ever experience a sudden change in vision, even if it lasts only a few minutes and then improves, treat it as an emergency. Do not wait to see if it gets better. Eye strokes are known to progress quickly, and every minute truly matters when it comes to saving your sight. And if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, or heart disease, you are at higher risk and should go for regular eye examinations. Do share this video with your friends and relatives. You never know if you too can be saving someone's eyes.